What else did you get? That's nice. A doll? You like that?
No one.
Another what?
This.
What is it? Dinosaur. Oh, wow. And what else? Go look in the bag. What else did you get?
Never mind.
Oh, let me see. Oh, another ninja. You got two. What else? Oh, you got lots of stuff from Mimi.
And what? Look at you.
Yeah, say thank you.
Thank you. He won't move.
We had to take it out of the package. What else you get? Oh, book. Monster.
I like monsters.
Oh, you got lots of books. Look at that one.
Here.
Baby animals. And look.
Look,
Noisy
now
Farm.
Another one.
Oh, another hungry monster.
I like hungry monsters.
Oh, and what else is that? Oh, sticker fun. Dinosaur stickers. What else did you get? Is that everything? Oh, a beach ball. From when we go to the pool. Maybe we'll go swimming on Saturday.
No, a piece.
Beach ball.
Piece ball. You open this and that's it. You
That's a
open
lot. Isn't that a lot? Yes, I'll open it down. Isn't that a lot of stuff?
Just open it.
Tell Mimi thank you.
Thank you, Mimi.
And you know why you got this?
I want to poop on the body.
Yeah, because you wear big girl underwear. You go poop on the potty now.
Now I'm not pooping on a diaper.
Nope, no more pooping in a diaper. So you got lots of toys.
Open that.
This?
Yes.
Which one's your favorite? Is that your favorite?
Yes.
Okay. Say
And these my favorite. Thank you, Mimi.
that's nice. Blow her a kiss.
Mwah. Now you open this.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it.